Winter 2026 is here, and if you're tired of breaking your back with a traditional shovel every time it snows, these 11 electric snow shovels will change everything. From lightweight cordless models to powerhouse gas-powered beasts, we found the best options on Amazon right now. All purchase links are in the description below. Let's see what made the list.
Product 1. Your driveway's buried under 6 inches of heavy snow, and the last thing you want is to throw out your back before breakfast. This dual-battery cordless snow shovel changes that entire situation. Powered by two 40-volt lithium batteries working together, it delivers enough power to throw snow up to 25 feet away while clearing a 13-inch path with every pass. The brushless motor runs quietly and efficiently, handling up to 6 inches of snow depth without breaking a sweat. At under 10 pounds, it's light enough that anyone can use it comfortably for extended periods. Perfect for clearing walkways, patios, decks, and moderate-sized driveways without dealing with gas, oil, or extension cords. Built with weather-resistant materials and backed by rigorous testing for harsh winter conditions. Product 2. This one's been a bestseller for years, and there's a good reason why. The 24-volt cordless model with an 11-inch clearing width throws snow up to 20 feet and moves through 75 pounds of snow every single minute. The 400-watt motor delivers consistent power, while the dual-handle ergonomic design eliminates the back strain you get from traditional shoveling. Battery life covers up to 370 square feet on a single charge, enough for most residential driveways and sidewalks. The kit includes everything you need: battery, charger, and even a weatherproof storage cover. Lightweight at just under 12 pounds, it's easy to maneuver around stairs, tight corners, and narrow walkways. This is the go-to option for homeowners who want reliable performance without spending a fortune. Product 3. Now this one's interesting because it combines power with serious convenience. The 12-inch cordless model features a high-efficiency brushless motor that delivers 40% more power and 10 times longer motor life compared to standard motors. Two 4-amp-hour batteries give you enough runtime to clear a 2 to 4 car driveway on a single charge. What sets this apart is the 3-position adjustable chute that lets you direct snow exactly where you want it, throwing it up to 25 feet away. The foldable handle makes storage incredibly easy, fitting in closets or small garage spaces. Variable 2-speed trigger adjusts to different snow conditions, from light powder to heavy wet snow. The adjustable front handle reduces strain and gives you full control while working. Made for homeowners who want professional-grade performance in a compact package. Product 4. Here's where we shift gears completely, because sometimes you need serious horsepower. This 24-inch 2-stage gas-powered model runs on a 212cc engine that moves 2,400 pounds of snow every minute. Self-propelled with 6 forward speeds and 2 reverse settings, it handles everything from light dustings to 12 inches of heavy, compacted snow. The electric start system means no pulling cords in freezing temperatures. Just plug in and push a button. All-steel auger breaks through icy, packed snow, while the high-speed impeller throws it up to 45 feet away. Built-in LED headlight lets you work early morning or after dark. Perfect for long driveways, multiple vehicles, or properties where snowfall is frequent and heavy. This is the reliable workhorse that handles what cordless models simply can't. Product 5. This 20-inch cordless model is for anyone with a larger property who wants to stay battery-powered. The 40-volt dual battery system delivers enough power to clear a 6-car driveway without recharging. Brushless motor technology provides longer runtime, more power, and quieter operation than traditional motors.
Self-propelled drive system means you're not pushing, just guiding it along your path. Clears a 20-inch wide path with up to 10 inches of snow depth, throwing it over 30 feet away. Adjustable handle height fits users of different sizes comfortably. LED headlights illuminate your work area during early morning or evening clearing.
This is the step up for homeowners who need more clearing capacity but don't want to deal with gas engines.
Product 6.
Your walkways and steps need clearing, but you don't need a massive machine for small areas. This 80-volt 12-inch model handles the job perfectly. Brushless motor delivers more torque and longer life while running remarkably quiet. Clears a 12-inch path up to 6 inches deep, throwing snow 20 feet away from where you're working. The included 2 amp-hour battery fully charges in just 30 minutes, getting you back to work fast. Ergonomic design with adjustable handle eliminates back strain even during extended use. Weighs only 18 pounds, making it easy to carry up and down stairs or store in tight spaces. Compatible with over 75 other tools in the same battery platform, so your investment goes further.
Perfect for townhomes, condos, or properties with smaller clearing areas. Product 7.
Tight spaces and detailed work require a specialized tool, and this 14-inch cordless model delivers exactly that. 21-volt brushless motor moves 300 pounds of snow per minute while maintaining a compact, manageable size. 2 rechargeable batteries provide extended runtime, handling most residential jobs on a single charge. The adjustable directional chute rotates to throw snow where you need it, up to 10 feet away. Lightweight 8-pound design makes it perfect for seniors or anyone who finds traditional shovels too heavy. Handles stairs, narrow walkways, decks, and patios with ease. No complicated assembly required. Just charge the batteries and go to work.
Built for reliability in harsh conditions, while remaining simple to operate. Product 8. This 14-inch model with dual batteries takes cordless power seriously. 4 amp-hour battery capacity ensures you won't run out of power mid-job, even on larger driveways. The brushless motor delivers consistent, reliable performance in temperatures well below freezing. Clears up to 6 inches of snow depth with a throw distance of 15 seconds. Battery level display shows remaining power at a glance, so you're never caught off guard. Adjustable ergonomic handle fits users of all heights comfortably. Designed for easy disassembly and compact storage when winter ends. This is the reliable choice for homeowners who want predictable performance every time it snows.
Product 9.
Sometimes you just need something simple that works, and this 10-inch cordless model nails that perfectly. 24-volt system with a 5 amp-hour battery clears up to 1,600 pounds of snow on a single charge. 2-blade paddle auger throws snow up to 20 feet while clearing a 10-inch wide by 6-inch deep path. Weighs less than 11 pounds, making it the lightest option for anyone concerned about maneuverability. Perfect for quick pickups on porches, steps, and small patio areas. No gas, no oil, no pull cords, no emissions. Adjustable handle lets you customize it to your height for maximum comfort. This is the grab-and-go option that lives by your back door for instant access.
Product 10. Your garage is packed and you don't have room for bulky equipment. This 13-inch cordless model solves that with a clever compact design. 20-volt motor with 4 amp-hour battery provides enough power for most residential snow removal needs. Directional plate rotates to control where snow lands, keeping cleared areas clean. Adjustable front handle gives you precise control while reducing wrist and arm fatigue. Throw snow up to 19 feet away while clearing paths 6 inches deep. Lightweight 12-pound construction means anyone in the household can use it effectively. Compatible with other tools in the same battery family, maximizing your tool investment. Built for homeowners who value storage convenience without sacrificing performance.
Product 11. This final option is for anyone who needs maximum versatility in changing conditions. The 12-inch cordless model features variable speed control that adjusts from light powder to heavy wet snow. Powerful motor handles different snow types without bogging down or losing effectiveness. 6,000 mAh battery provides extended runtime, clearing larger areas without interruption. 3-mode LED flashlight built right in for early morning or evening work. Doubles as a USB power bank for charging phones or other devices in emergencies. Auto shutoff prevents overinflation if you're using it to top off car tires between snow events. Small enough to fit in your car trunk as emergency equipment.
This is the multi-purpose tool that earns its place in your garage year-round.
That's all 11 electric snow shovels for today. If you found even one that fits your needs, drop a like to help others find this video. All purchase links are organized by number in the description below, taking you straight to Amazon. For more honest product reviews and recommendations, subscribe to Reliable Consumer. Thanks for watching and stay warm out there this winter.